We ended up at the beach and we're kind of playing football with a flat ball. I mean, they're kind of catching it and throwing it back and forth. What? Don't do that. That'd be rude. Vroom, vroom. Where are we going now?
Want to do a drive-by?
Where are the guns at?
I mean, we're here.
Look at this, it's already blistering.
We're talking about that. Ah, bad light, bad light, bad light. How'd you do that?
That's good.
Did you guys have fun at the bay?
Yes.
She's excited. I like her. Going on a cool adventure and we don't know what to start. I wonder why sand so fiercely sticks to your skin. Like, what is it about sand that just makes it super sticky? Like, why? Why? Somebody needs to Google that. Why does sand sticks to your skin so much? Let me know. So we decided to actually come down to the water. It's cold as heck and it's covered with seaweed, but it's so pretty. Look at it. Splish splash, dun dun dun. How cold is the water, Manny?
Very cold.
But isn't it so much fun?
But it's so cold.
I mean, this is a fabulous way to end spring break. Like, we have to go back to classes, back to work on Monday. And this is how we're spending. I love that you get reception in the water, but not up on the sand. I mean, this is a super chill way to end like a week offness. And those two buffoons are just up there enjoying. Those two buffoons are just up there enjoying the sunshine while we where'd they go? Oh, while we try to not get covered in water. But I mean, that might be a little too late because wet and waves. Birdie, caw caw. I don't know what that human is doing. Are you fishing, human? That's not allowed, human. No, human. So the one thing that we have realized today is that this little peach controls the gosh dang sea. Hello, Poseidon.
What's up? How you doing?
I swear, every time any kind of water comes up, it's just like, no. And then it goes back. See? It's like, okay. So that, folks, is the real gay agenda. Controlling the sea.
So Haley's about to get back on this rock. She didn't actually get on it yet, but she wants to get on this rock that's right under the water. Let's see if I can zoom in. It's right there, it's right there. She on the rock. She on the rock.
This is why they put me in swimming with them. It was really good for a second.
I mean, I'm still on top of the rock. So someone finally joined us at the shore. And he won't pass the seaweed. He only came this far because there's cell service.
Yeah. Morning.
The beach! That's probably gonna be loud as fuck. Remember to turn that down.
Yeah, remember to.
Let's go get away. It's pretty. Okay, so that house over there, the one that I'm pointing to, that house, has freaking bronze horses in their backyard. Why? Why bronze horses? I don't like him.
Oh, you love it.
I hate boys.
That's why I'm a man.
Not that. You're younger than me.
I am a man.
So we're walking by the Lamborghini dealer and looking at all the beautiful vehicles that we can never afford. That matte black Lambo right there. My dream car.
Motorcycle. Oh, I gotta say motorcycle. Look at those Ducatis.
But that Lambo though. And now we're walking by the Bentley and Rolls Royce dealers. I can't see that. And looking at more beautiful cars that we can never afford. It's fine.
That's how you know what kind of a neighborhood the Hoya is.
Exactly. So I found these super pretty shells on the beach. I mean, they're all pieces of shells and rocks, but they're super pretty. We've just concluded that something ate that one. And that one's just adorable. And that one almost looks like a piece of that one, but I'm not too sure about that. And don't know what that is. But they're so pretty. I'm not gonna keep them. I hate it like my shell narration.